paper, Remarkable Pen Plus, and the folio. The updated folio. And the black pen. It's a very snug fit inside. And some tips. Some lovely tips. Now let's compare. This is Remarkable 1, a big upgrade on the canvas. With the pen. And Remarkable 2 with the pen that fits maybe a little bit too snug inside of this pocket. And I think it magnetically holds. Trying to find the button. I think that's the button here. So here are the pens, and the new pen feels significantly heavier. So the new one is definitely much thinner and shorter, but it is just a little bit fatter. And it weighs about the same. Now let's see the writing experience. Now, the reason why I got this pen is because it has an eraser. Although I would much prefer a click of a button to have it. And yes, it's very smooth. Let's try the old one to compare. Now in terms of the screen, it's about the same lightness. So let's go to quick sheets. The pen is definitely much heavier. So let's try the pencil. I wouldn't really be able to tell that this is a second generation of this. In terms of design, this is definitely an improved version of Remarkable 1 versus Remarkable 2. But in terms of the functionality, at first look, it actually feels pretty responsive even with version 1. So I'm going to do a full-on test and I'll post it and I'll let you know my thoughts after I use this new Remarkable for a little bit longer period of time.